In this video, we are going to look at a way to respond to the describe image questions. Yes. So you know the pattern. In describe image, you will be given an image or sometimes images, and you're given 25 seconds to observe whatever that is being depicted. And within 40 seconds, you will have to come up with the details that is describing the image. Yes. But instead of directly getting into the context, you can buy some time to really understand what is happening by introducing the image first. So anyway, you would be given a statistical or a non-statistical image. Maybe for a statistical image like a bar chart, line graph, pie chart, or a even a table of data. You can say that what type of image that is given. So instead of saying the image says this and that, you can say the given bar graph, the given line graph, the given pie chart, the given table of data. So start with the type of image that it is given to you, and then you further use these words like depicts, illustrates, explains, details, shows, any word that you're convenient with. And then you should include the details like the title. So for any image that is given, you will be given a short title. You will include that title, and if it's X and Y axis, you will have to include what are all there and the other specifications. So if you have some different bars and lines, each bar would represent countries or types of people. So whatever it may be, you will have to include those specifications. For an instance, the given bar chart depicts the standard number of hours that 4 categories of people like students, self-employed, employed, and retired on social media platforms in the year 2010. So I've included the title, which is nothing but the average number of hours that I paraphrased as standard number of time. X and Y axis. So whatever I saw in X axis and Y axis, instead of using the word X and Y axis, I will just talk about what is given in X and Y axis and other specifications. Maybe if there are 2 bars, so a black bar represents female, a red bar represents male. So I don't say black bar. We have 2 different colors of bar. One is male, one is female. So red is male, black is female. No, you don't say that. You just say there are 2 categories of, there are both the genders of all 4 categories. That's what you're going to include. You will never say the colors that are there used in the image. Okay, so that's how you would introduce so that you can have an organized response. It's a good start. Anyway, you have to meet 40 seconds. Within 40 seconds, you should complete. Sometimes you will not know. Some of you might find it hard to even start your response. So if you could remember all these things and incorporate these in your responses, it would make a better impact. Follow that and let me know how it was. Thank you.